Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find the display. Now let's scroll down a little bit to find the screen timeout. Just tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Currently we've got the 10 minutes option applied. As you can see, this option is marked, and basically all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option like to use. So I will pick 2 minutes. It is immediately marked, so we can go back, and it is also notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 2 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to set the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.